What's up guys, it's Chris Donnelly with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon, and I'm going to show you this 2016 Coachmen Leprechaun. This is a 31-foot bunkhouse. Let's go inside. It's actually 32 to be exact. It's called the 320BH. So your main living area here, you've got your first slide on this side, couch opposing the dinette. If you got lots of people, everyone can kind of hang out here. Of course, you have the bed up top, as with most Class Cs. Got a nice big TV over there that swings forward with a DVD player for movies and all that good stuff. The kitchen here is actually not too bad. You got a little bit of a countertop here to do what you need, and pretty good storage up top. And of course, you got the range. Typical appliances up here. Little pantry right there. And of course, you got 6 cubic foot fridge. What I really love about this bunk model is it's kind of a convertible bunk model, I guess you could say. You got this table, dinette, little mini dinette that makes into a bed. And then of course, you've got this other bed that flips down right here. So if you want to sleep 1,200 people, you can do that. Bedroom's pretty roomy too. Easy to get around, both sides. Lots of storage. And across, you've got this big wardrobe here too. So longer trips, or if you just need to share some of the space for other people, plenty of room there too. Lots and lots of good storage in this one. And speaking of storage, it has all right outside storage. We'll check that out real quick. There's an outside TV, doing a little tailgating thing. You got a power awning up top. I can't squeeze through there, but around the back you do have some storage as well. So again, 32-foot rig here. Again, you can sleep 1 million people in it. It's fun to take out and you can still get into most spaces. So come down, take it for a drive. As for Chris.